Hello everyone, welcome to Ridhima Creations. Please subscribe to Ridhima Creations and hit the bell icon to be notified whenever we upload a new video. In continuation with the series of watercolor painting videos I have been sharing with you, today let me show you how you can easily paint bougainvillea flowers using watercolor paints. Though native to South America, these flowers can be seen growing very well in different parts of India too. So let's get started. These are the materials that you will need. Watercolor paints, good quality paper, preferably of thickness around 300 GSM or greater, a large size round synthetic brush, some water, a waste cloth, and a pencil. If you are interested, I have provided the purchase links for all these products in the description box. You can check it out. The first step is to make a rough sketch of the flowers and a few leaves. If you are on Instagram, please do follow me at Ridhima Creations. I share a lot of creative content which you won't find on my channel here on YouTube. Do share your version of this painting with me. I would love to see them and feature them in my stories. Next, I am going to use dark pink on maroon to paint the vein-like details in the bracts. Use the pointed tip of your brush to do so. Use very diluted pink or just a wet brush to merge this out. Add dark pink towards the corners of the bract. I am repeating the same procedure for all the other bracts. The white cap that I've left in between is for the actual flower of the bougainvillea. Try to leave some white patches in between. This will give it a more natural look. If you are not happy with the depth of the vein details, you can go over it once more. Here's a watercolor tip for you. If you feel you have left too much water on the paper, just wipe your brush and use the dry brush to soak the excess paint. Use maroon or dark pink to add more depth to the inside of the bracts. Here's a fun fact. Did you know that the vibrant colored petals of bougainvillea are not really petals? These paper-like structures are called bracts. Bracts are actually modified leaves surrounding the main flower and are used to attract pollinators to the white waxy flowers in the center. To start off with the leaves, use a mix of bright yellow plus a little bit of green and apply a wash all over the leaves. Give a shade of dark green to one section of each leaf. Blend this. Here I am adding some depth to the bracts that I had left out. Mix brown with dark green and let's add the midrib and veins to the leaves. I am painting patches of dark green and leaving some patches of yellow in between.
You can use a real bougainvillea flower and the stalk with its leaves as reference when you're painting this for the first time. Mix some more brown to this color and add more shadows towards the edges of the leaves. Repeat the same steps for all the leaves. The leaves need not be uniform. In fact, they need to be different from each other to give a more natural or realistic effect. With a shade of green mixed with a little bit of black, let's further highlight the midrib and the veins by drawing very thin lines with the pointed edge of the brush. Using brown, let's paint the stalk of the plant. Also, connect the stalk with the leaves and the flowers. With the brown you already have in your palette, mix a little bit of dark pink or brown and paint fine lines along the veins of the bracts. During this process, don't forget to paint the actual flowers of the bougainvillea. Some of the flowers may be in the form of buds. I have used the same mix of brown plus maroon. This white color circle is the bloom flower that I am painting. I felt like adding some more flowers in the background, so I did. I have shared other watercolor painting tutorials on my channel. Do check it out. I hope you found this video useful. If you did, please consider subscribing to my channel. Also, follow me on Instagram and my Facebook page to get more updates on art and craft classes we conduct in Bangalore. You can also check out our website www.ridhimacreationsartandcraft.com. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Bye.